Welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today I am so excited because if you guys are a sticker lover in some sort of way, whether it's planner stickers or you're wanting to sell your very own stickers with your own, say for example, Etsy or Shopify, or even locally on a Instagram page, for example, I'm going to show you guys how to create your very own sticker sheets that you can sell using our program Designscape. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Designscape, we actually have that for free for our Gold Plus members. So if you guys are a Gold Plus member, you already have access to this. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so let's go ahead and start off over here on designbundles.net. So if you guys are a Plus member, these are some Plus member files. So I'm going to be showing you this one today as well as this one. So it's just a couple of our camping stickers, right? So I'm actually going to combine these to create a cute little sticker sheet. Now there is tons and tons of stickers that we have available, lots of graphics, lots of PNGs that you guys can combine pieces from here to create an entire sticker sheet. So say, for example, if you were wanting to make planner stickers or teacher stickers, you could take some from here and from here. So there's lots available as well in our marketplace. So if you guys go to the main search bar up here and type out stickers, you're going to find lots of fun stuff. Or, for example, if you guys are a Plus member, you can simply just type out stickers or graphics, etc. So I'm using these two here today. I'll have them linked down below for you. And then if you guys are a Gold Plus member, you guys are going to notice where it says Designscape. See right here where it says Designscape, you would click on Plus membership, and then you would have access to that Designscape. So we're going to use that here in a minute. Now, how do you purchase these using the Plus credits? So if you guys are a Plus member, it's so easy because you're just going to click on Buy Now for 1 Plus credit. You're going to hit Confirm. You're going to click Download Now and then Download Now. You're going to notice it pops right up and it's downloaded on my computer. So I have access. I didn't have to take it to checkout or none of that fun stuff, right? So I've got that one. Now let's go ahead and do the next. I'm just going to switch pages over here. And then I'm going to click on download again because I've already downloaded this. Now, that's the really fun thing, too, about being a member, or whether even if you've purchased our file and you're not a Plus member, you guys do have access to re-download your files over and over and over again. So if you get a new computer, you've accidentally deleted your file, you can access them over and over again. So we're going to click on download again. And that way I have these two files. So if I click right up here, you're going to see that I have those two right here. All right, so let's go ahead and head on over to Designscape. So if you click on where it says Designscape, like right here, like I said, if you're a Gold Plus member, it's going to bring you up to this page. This page is going to be informative. We have a tutorial here showing you how to use Designscape and all of that fun stuff. We have lots of tutorials here right here on YouTube. So once you click on Go to Designscape, it's actually going to pop up this screen right here. Now, what you want to do to create your sticker sheet is we're going to go right over here where it says File. So File, we're going to go to New. So if you click on New, you're going to get all these fun options. You could create stuff for Pinterest and, your Instagram. There's all sorts of fun things. There's tons of templates, if you will. But what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to come to print. See where it says print right here? I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to choose an 8.5 by 11. So say, for example, if I was needing to create a sticker sheet for my Cricut, we know that we can do, I think, what is it, it's either 6.25 by 9.75 or it's 6.75 by 9.25. You can definitely create a custom size, so that way it's specifically sized out to do a print and cut with Cricut. Or you could do it on the 8.5 by 11, and when you get to Cricut, you can size that sheet down and it's going to be perfect. All right, so what we're going to do here is, see where it says 8.5 by 11? I'm going to click on that one. Now, I want this to be transparent. So I'm going to come up here, see where it says white, so the background. I'm going to go ahead and change it to transparent. And then at this point, you can click Create or simply just hit Enter on your computer. So you know it's transparent if it looks like this. It has these tiny little almost like bars and checkers and things like that. Now, if you did it white, obviously you would see that it was white. But I really like the transparent. It's just going to be easy for doing the print and cut and all of those things. So now what we want to do is start bringing in those files. So what you're going to simply do is you're going to go to File, and then we're going to go to our Recents. All right, so we're going to go to File, like I said, and then we are going to go to Open and Place. So instead of New or Open, we want to go to Open and Place. So that's very crucial, Open and Place. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go to recent and I'm going to grab these files. So I'm going to hold down that shift and I'm going to grab a couple of these so we can bring them all in at the same time. So I'm just bringing in all of those sticker pieces here. And we're going to click on upload. So from here, I can start to size these out and spread them all over. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to grab this little guy. Now the way to resize these is you're going to hold down the shift on your keyboard. And then we're going to grab a corner and we're just going to size them out. Now, I like to let go of my mouse first and then let go of the keyboard, and that's going to prevent it from distorting. So let's go ahead and size all of these down and get them, you know, about where we want them. Now, you can see I keep moving around. If I keep trying to click on this guy, you have to do it over here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my next one here. I can move it on over, hold down that shift, and then we are going to size it down again. So now you may want to not necessarily keep all of these at the exact same size because, you know, a fun little sticker sheet, you're going to have different ones. And then we can also duplicate them here in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up while I size all of these down. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to place these. And if I want to duplicate them, I'm going to do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start to move these guys around. Now, remember, I'll have to kind of play around with this, moving these guys back and forth. So say, for example, I'm going to put this guy up here, come back up here. I'm going to move this tent here, and then I'll keep on trucking. Now, I know that I want to, for sure, copy this camper a few times, and I'm even going to resize it. But first, I'm going to get my initial pieces moved around. So go ahead and get this guy maybe up here. This in here, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do so. All right. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and start to duplicate. So I'm going to back it up. Let's do our trailer. So to duplicate these, all you simply have to do is go to layer, see where it's layer right here, and go to duplicate layer. So now we have two little campers. And if I want to, I can make them different sizes. So, you know, with the little sticker sheets. And then you can also you can, you know, go find more sticker sheets and bring in. We have ones that are for s'mores, you know, and you're going to have the little campfire or, you know, stars, add some little bitty stars here and there or hearts or whatever, just to kind of spread it out. But you know, if you want to, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here. Maybe I'll bring that up a little bit. I got excessive when I sized that down. All right, so add that here. So let's keep on going. So let's go to this one here. I'm going to duplicate it as well. Layer, duplicate, and spread it out. So basically at this point, you're just trying to make it look really good. I like that go outside, and we can see the names right here on the side. So they're pretty much helpful of which one's which. Duplicate that layer, go ahead and bring another one down here. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate that tent really quick. So let's go up here to our camping tent, go to layer, duplicate layer, and I want to bring another little tent down here. So I think I'm going to size it down just a smidge. I can get that going. There we go. All right, so something about like that. Let's just say that I was happy with this sticker sheet. Maybe move this one over just a little bit. All right, so now that we have arranged your sticker sheet however you want it. Now, like I said, you may want to come in and add a few more little things, some little fire flames or some little stars all over different sizes to really tie in this sticker sheet. Also, if you wanted to, you could add your logo down there at the bottom. So that way, whenever it's going to be attached to each one of those sticker sheets. So now you can see that we have all of these layers because we brought in all of these stickers. So what we want to do is select everything. So you're just going to hold down that shift on the keyboard, and we are going to select everything, including that transparent background. So from here, we're going to go to layer, and then we're going to go to merge layers. So now you can see it's one solid file. Now, if you go to layer and you go to flatten image, it's going to bring in that white background. So don't do that. All right, so once you've done that, you're going to simply click on PNG and you're going to be good to go. So you're going to have your sticker sheet ready to cut out. So now let's go ahead and take that over to Cricut just so I can show you what it's going to look like. All right, so now we've made our sticker sheet. So let me show you how to load it inside of Cricut Design Space just to show you that it works. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on upload, and then we are going to go to upload an image, and then we're going to go to browse. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to recent so I can quickly find it. All right, so once I've pulled up my file here, we're just simply going to click on open and bring it right inside. So from here, you can just simply click on simple, or if you want to, what I always do is I just click on complex right away. I think that's your best choice. Click on complex. We're going to hit continue. You're going to see that we have the transparent background and you're going to see all of those fun stickers. We're going to click on apply and continue. So now what you want to save it as is the print and cut. We're going to click that here on the right. You can rename it if you wanted to, and then we're going to click on upload. All right. So from here, now I'm going to click on it. We're going to click add to canvas. And then now we have our fun sticker sheet. Now you're going to notice right away that it's going to give us that warning. So we're actually going to resize this, but you can see that you can see our background. These are individual pieces here. And if I even change my background from white here, this is to change the background for Cricut. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to change it to pink just so you guys can see that. See how you've got those perfect stickers. Now what we can do is size this guy down here. Just going to go ahead and I can do that right up here. So let's just say we're going to bring up our little warning here, and that's going to tell you exactly our print and cut area. So we've got right now, I've got it on Cricut Joy. So I'm actually going to change it. All right. So now that I've changed it to the Maker 3, we're going to click on this little warning here, and it's going to give us that 6.75 by 9.25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my width to that 6.75. 6.75, enter, and then you notice that our warning has went away. So our sticker sheet is completely ready to go. So at this point, you would just go ahead and click make it, and then it's going to, you see where it's got the borders here for printing. You would hit continue, send it to your printer, and make it. So and that's how easy it is to create your very own sticker sheets using our program Designscape. Now, once again, if you guys are just now getting into wanting to sell sticker sheets, but you didn't know how, I really hope you guys have found some inspiration. Maybe you've learned something new today, or whether you want to make some stickers for your planner. I really hope you guys have found this inspiring, like I said, in some sort of way. Now, if you guys have not already, I encourage you guys to go check out our Facebook community group. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. We have hundreds of thousands of crafters over there, as well as ourselves. You're going to see us over there. We can answer your questions quickly. You're going to see lots of inspiration from other crafters, as well as giveaways. So definitely make sure you guys check it out. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.